upgrade for Vodafone on Kaikoura Island, which is about 80 metres, funnily enough, off Great Barrier, and this was one of the first cell towers that were put here by Vodafone.
We are increasing capacity threefold. We'll be increasing speed, and we're also increasing coverage of the site by the use of 4G at 700 megahertz. That's our furthest reaching 4G technology, so we'll be connecting more people once this upgrade's complete.
So that's involved putting up a new head frame on the tower and giving it new structure, and also enabling it to, because it's off-grid, have its own supporting power systems upgraded as well.
This site is quite unique. It's off-grid, so it's solar and wind with a diesel generator there as backup. But it's getting enhanced wind generation, so you'll see the old single wind turbines gone, and we're replacing it with two smaller, more modern, more efficient units.
Keeping our people looked after is my number one priority.
Well, I want to go home to my wife and kids. I'm sure everybody wants to. So the safer we can work, the better we can go home.